what up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I'm back with another wig review. Shout out to ebonyline.com for sending me this unit. But today we are doing a special. We are doing a double wig review. That's right, a double wig review. We are going to compare FreeTress's new 5-inch lace part line. We're going to do Valentino versus Valencia. And we're also going to do a color comparison of FFHotCoco versus FFCream. So what I have on right here, because I'm jumping right into it, that's right. What I have on right here is the Valentino. So this is what the card looks like. So this is the Valentino and the FFCream. I would say she comes about right here. So this would be about a 22 inch unit. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see this color on me. So I really like this color. And she's beautiful. I actually like the curl pattern too. And there's nothing that you can really do to it. It's a middle part. That's what it is. That's what it's going to be. She has combs in it in the front and in the back. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as the elastic adjustable straps. So that's pretty much it to this unit. And I really like her. I'm going to give you guys a little check on the back. And that's how the back looks. So I'm excited to wear this one out and actually see if this one does any tangling. So I'll update you guys. Go ahead and check out my Instagram at It's Me Busy Bee to get the update on whether or not this unit tangles and how I go about styling it. I might wear some hats with it and things like that. Especially because it's wintertime in New York. So let's go ahead, and now we're going to go from this, which is the curly unit, to the straight unit. So that unit is going to be the Valencia, and we're doing Valencia in the FFHotCoco, which is very similar to this unit in terms of color. So I'm just going to zoom in again so you can see it. And now we're going to go ahead and switch to Valencia. Okay, so this is the Valencia, and this unit is in FFHotCoco. And you guys can see that it's a slight difference. I would say this one is a little more sandy, whereas the FFCream has more of a copper tone mixed into it, and this is more of like a sandy brown look. That's what I would say is the difference between FFHotCoco and FFCream. In terms of Valencia versus Valentino, you guys can see Valencia is an all straight unit. And when I got her out the package, I mean, I fell in love with her. I mean, just the FF front facing color alone, I am in love with. And I had been looking for a straight unit with the color in the front, but not throughout the back. So I was really excited to get this unit. Now, the one thing I will say about this unit is that it tangles like crazy. So I was so excited that I wore this for like maybe about a week now. I think I can probably wear it for about another week before I might need to just get another one or something, because it definitely tangles quite a bit. So maybe, you know, I need to put some conditioner on it or something like that, but it definitely tangles quite a bit. And I think that's just because of the color. I think for me, when I tend to get the light colored units, I feel like they have more tangling than the others. But this is the unit. I'm going to show you guys the back. Now, this unit is actually longer than the Valentino unit. So this one I would say is probably like a 24 inch versus Valentino, which is more of a 20 inch, I think. So that would also be one of the differences between the two units. They both have the combs in the front and in the back with the elastic straps. So that's all the same. But that's pretty much it. I mean, this is what it is. They're both, you know, that 5-inch lace part middle, which I think is great. You guys can see that there. And I really just like the colors of these units. This FF line, FreeTress, you are doing it with these colors. So yeah, so what I'll do is I am going to wear the Valentino. I'm gonna wear the Valentino out, and I'm gonna post up on my Instagram whether or not that tangles or not, so that we'll know, does it do what this one does and end up tangling or not. So go ahead and check out my Instagram, It's Me Busy Bee, to get the update on that. And that's pretty much it. That's the comparison.